Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you this mini Shein haul that I bought. Everything will be linked in the description box below if something catches your eye. So let's get right into it. The first item that I got are these gummy bear charms. I was running low, so I needed to go ahead and stock up. I love these because they came with black and white gummy bears, which I didn't have. Next item are these glow-in-the-dark pigment powders. I hope these work as well as the picture shows they do, because I want to do some avatar nail art with these pigments. We also got these 2XL square full cover nail tips. These are already matted on top, so you don't have to buff them, and they are pre-etched on the inside as well to save you some prep time. They felt pretty sturdy at the tip and nice and thin at the cuticle area. I did go ahead and bend them in half and then unfolded them, and the white line did go away. I am going to just add base coat to these off camera and cure for 60 seconds just to test if there's any separation from the gel to see if they work or not. I did forget to show you the rainbow flat back pearls that I got, but stay tuned because I am going to go ahead and use them in the design today. I did file the cuticle areas to fit my nail beds off camera and then trim down the thumb a little bit because it was longer than the rest of the nails. As you can see, there was no separation of the base gel. It did lay nice and smooth, so the pre-buff nails can save you an extra step, which is great. So for today's video, I am going to be using these jelly gel polish colors that I got from Born Pretty, and also matching gummy bears to go with the nails. And then here are those bubbles that I told you about that I got from Shein. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to make these nails. They're going to be so cute. And I did just go ahead and paint the tip area off camera. I did 2 coats and I cured for 60 seconds in between. And I'm going to take this base color from Nail Reserve LA, and I'm going to go ahead and just paint where to cover my nail bed area is. And this color is actually really good. I really love it. Thank you so much, Nail Reserve. And I do have a coupon code with them that you guys can go ahead and save you some money on your order on their website, and I'll be sure to leave that linked in the description box below. And I'm just going to go ahead and paint the base area, and I'll use my ombre brush, and I'll just go ahead and ombre that out to fade out towards the tip, and that'll just go ahead and cover, you know, that harsh line that you see. And this color is great because I just used 2 coats and it just covered extraordinary. I love this nail polish color. So here's how the nails look after the 2 coats of that base color from Nail Reserve LA, and I did go ahead and cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. And I'm just gonna take my rhinestone glue from Model 1s, and I'll go ahead and apply the matching gummy bears to the nails. As you can see, I'm putting blue with blue, and then I'll put pink with pink, and so on. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my UV light pen, and I'll just flash cure to make sure that they stay in place. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add those little bubbles right here on the tip. I was gonna do them some at the cuticle area, but I decided to go ahead and put it at the tip, and I was really happy with the result. And I'll just make it going from bigger, medium, and small all the way down, and I just used 3 on each nail. So I'll go ahead and let you watch the process, and I'll be back in a bit. So I did just notice whenever I was doing the nails that these bubbles did not come with an orange color. So I went ahead and just used some of my orange rhinestones that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I went ahead and applied those, and then I just top coated over them to go ahead and take away the shine. And it actually worked out perfectly because it looked exactly like the rest of them, so I was happy with that. Once I was finished with all the nails, I did go ahead and put them in the big lamp and cure for 60 seconds just to make sure they were nice and cured. And I'm going to go ahead and use my thick top coat, which is my Savvyland top coat in my Beetles gel polish bottle. And I'm going to go ahead and just go around the little gummy bears and go over the little bubble pearls. That way I can make sure that they don't fade out, you know, when washing dishes or showering or anything like that. So go ahead and do that, and then after you've done all the nails, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Here's how the nails look after I went ahead and cured for 60 seconds in the lamp. And then I'm going to go ahead and file the free edge off camera. And I hope you guys just enjoyed this video. It was so much fun making them. Man, these nails were super heavy. I planned to wear them, but they were so heavy. And with my carpal tunnel, I'm not going to be able to wear these. Ugh, I'm so mad. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I am going to be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And it is going to be US only. Okay, it has to be US only. I apologize for my international subscribers, but I do appreciate each and every one of you. So make sure you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.